Yo, my brothers and sisters, this is your boy Harry Erogun, and today I'm going to react to Itz Umar unboxing 100k silver play button. His journey since 2016. First off, congratulations to Umar for reaching up to 100,000 subscribers. And this guy, yeah, he reached up to 102,000 subscribers. This guy is on a roll, I swear. And I'm proud of him, honestly. I'm really proud that I did a collaboration with Umar when I was at uni. And it's been fun, you know, a lot of energy, you know, and I can't wait to collaborate with him. I can't wait to collaborate with him again in the future, you know. So Umar, if you're watching, enjoy the video, my guy. Press the like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get straight to the building.
What's good, everyone? It's Umar here, and in this video, this is going to be a special video because I have hit 100,000. Come on, and obviously, I brought everyone here from old videos. These are OGs, and obviously, I'm going to introduce everyone first. So this is the starter. We got Afghan Sully.
You introduced it like a meal. It's not That's good, that's what you did. That's funny.
Afghan Sully.
He's the main and he's the second.
So we got Afghan Sully. He's been like my first ever video. He's like the #1. He came with this video back in 2016. That's when I first started YouTube. And then we've got HK Road.
HK Road!
Joining my
guy.
videos too.
And we spiced up the pranks. We did the
We
pranks.
did a prank
the
video.
basketball. That started with them guys though first. The basketball 1v1.
We also got MK Productions.
MK Productions.
So he was also like part of helping.
Can't lie, HK Roll and MK Productions, them two, they're calm. I like them, man. They're really good, man. Cause the first time when I met them was I was in Itz Umar's podcast, and the first time when I met them, it was actually like good. I actually like their vibe. I actually like how they were like, you know, making it, you know, like have more energy, you know. I actually enjoyed it, really. Like, they're actually funny.
In the pranks as well, when I was doing it with HK Row.
I was Umar's hype man. And the videographer. Let's go. Look at it. Put it up, Umar. Come on.
Open it, Umar.
So do you know what time it is? It's
What time?
to unbox the 100.
Yeah! Get in.
Let's go.
Get
I'm
in.
gonna use my keys.
Show them.
Yeah, hold it. That was smooth. Next one. Yeah, that was it. And then the last one.
This is the last one.
The last one.
Oh, I did it. I think I did it.
Umar, you know this is a starter now.
Yeah.
This is a starter for big things now.
There is.
Road to 1 million.
Road to 1 million.
Road to 1 million.
1 million.
Make sure you get Itz Umar up to 1 million subscribers. Itz Umar will reach up to 1 million subscribers in Jesus' name.
Flip.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Wait.
Oh, it's a letter.
Okay.
What's this? It's a card. It's a card. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a card.
It's a card.
No, not. We're not seeing the play button yet, but that's the letter. I'll just quickly read it out to you.
Go on, but like a presentation and show up all of it.
Do you remember your first subscriber? I ain't gonna lie, I don't remember my first subscriber.
Hey, what?
He's a legend, the legend. First subscriber, the legend.
You're 100. To be honest, I've got like screenshots of my subscribers. They were like,
Put it up.
yeah, I'm gonna put it over here so you guys can see
Shout out to them.
proof of
Shout out to
the
them.
progress.
Shout out
Over
to them.
100,000 subscribers. I do remember that time when I filmed that 1,000 subscriber video. Chances are that you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber.
Who is it? Comment who you are.
Comment who's the last video. Chances are that you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber.
Who is it? Comment
Who
who
could
you
it
are.
be?
Comment who's the last
Who
one
could
to
it be?
subscribe. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. Maybe.
Yes.
No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community that you've built.
Indeed, yes. Yes.
That's facts. That's facts.
We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with a Silver Creator Award. Congratulations!
Congrats.
We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, of course, which I'm going to talk about the journey in a minute. And we know that your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity.
And to be fair, he's got some bangers on the way.
Stay tuned. So keep creating,
Can't wait.
keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way.
Well said, well said.
Okay,
Big room here.
Can we have a drum roll?
100,000 subscribers.
Oh my days. Yo, that's
That
crazy.
is beautiful, that.
Close-up look of it.
So you got this now.
I can see properly, but
Hey, I can't lie.
close-up look of it.
Can't lie. I'm gonna reach to that. I'm gonna reach up to 100,000 subscribers. When I reach to that, I'm gonna get that plaque. God, please help me to always stay consistent, to always make sure that I'll get this plaque. Come on, I can do it. I can do it. Come on.
I can see properly, but we're hold on it. Here we go.
The box.
Oh, we got this as well. Oh, that's that. What is that? Go. Open this. Bro, that looks mad.
Nice.
Bro, that looks crazy, guys. Thumbnail time, yeah?
Hey. W thumbnail.
Does it look small, right? That's how it looks like, guys. Honestly, I'm just speechless right now. This means like so much to me, especially like.
Hey, is it just me?
Just speechless right now.
Hey, is it just me?
This
Does
means like
the
so
plaque
much
look small? It looks small.
to me,
Oh, I thought it looked big.
especially like after going through all the hard work and the late night,
No, just the way he's holding it is like, it looks small.
and especially not going to sleep and just staying up, editing, making the thumbnails, getting new ideas, what to do next for the YouTube videos. And it was just like a lot of stress, and especially like think back in the days when I first started YouTube, I had like to do high school, college, and then there's just too much going on at the time. So I'm gonna introduce you now to Afghan Sully. He's the one that came in my Chubby Bunny challenge video, and the football one, and the basketball. So he's gonna take over.
So Umar's channel started back in 2016 when we were in high school. We started it only just for the fun of it. We didn't expect it to reach 100,000 subscribers. So at the start we had to do schoolwork. Everyone in our class knew about our channel, so that's kind of a boost that we had at the start. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun going around the way. I haven't been in his videos as much. If you guys are wondering, so I've been mostly abroad. That's the story. And yeah, thank you guys.
I want to say that I even remember in high school, so I'll show a video here where we were playing basketball outside in the playground, and I was playing basketball, and I was remember saying to you, we should do a basketball video after we finish high school, and then we could also show everyone our 1v1 basketball video.
Yeah, and that's where it all started.
And then that's how it all started. But even way before that, we were doing a Chubby Bunny challenge.
Yeah.
Went to our mate's house, we filmed it there.
Yeah, true.
Like you lost the challenge, I got egged, and also the football video, which will show you guys the little areas around where we used to film.
Yeah. That's all. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll move on to our other two guests.
The next guest is
HK Roll.
Back in the hometown.
yeah.
This is the road to 100k. Get this, road to 100k.
On the table is HK.
Okay, guys. Shortly after that experience, I've always known Omar since primary school. It's been a while, hasn't it?
I know this is fine, yeah.
But
Since day one. Hey, HK Wall and Itz Umar, since day one, they were friends since primary school. Hey, that's a good friend right there.
we didn't go to the same high school, and I started my own channel where I was making, call it what you want, just random videos. But we went to the same college, and Omar found me in college. He seen my channel, he told me, and we thought it would be a good idea to collab. From then we've done many great videos, such as basketball, pranks, you know, random videos, call it what you want, but they've been amazing, and personally I think this is just the tip of the iceberg for Omar's channel. I think he's going to go, like the investing thing, the emoji, right up to the moon.
On the road now to 200,000.
200,000, but we will hit that easily.
Then 500,000, and then 1 million subscribers. I want to get that golden play button as well.
Because,
To be
how long has it been now since you started?
Since when I first uploaded my first video was in 2016, so that's
9 years
now,
ago.
2025.
But 9 years ago, because you started in 24.
Yeah, so I hit 100k by end of 2024, and I got the play button at the new year.
So for it to be another 9 years now, it would be what, 2034?
Yeah.
He's definitely going to hit the million mark before 27. I think so. I know so.
I also want to mention that back in 2020 and 2021. That's when me and HK Raw thought of doing prank ideas. So we do prank videos in public. I want to appreciate HK Raw because he let me borrow prank videos in public.
Oh dang! How did he? What? It got lost. The footage. How? So what? Wait. So what was the prank about, Umar? What was the prank?
I want to appreciate HK Raw because he let me borrow his camera, and I'll show you a picture here. This is the camera I used to have.
Oh, tell me the story.
Long story short,
See the camera?
this is the camera I used to have.
What camera is that?
Oh, tell me the story.
Long story short, it got around. He was my
Oh yeah. Umar, he told me that. He told me about that camera. Oh yeah. What's that camera again? Let me know in the comments. Let me know.
cameraman too for the pranks. So without HK Raw.
That was a crazy story though, I can't lie.
I'm gonna pass it on.
The fact that your camera got robbed and you were trying to look at and you was looking for it, it's like, and then you was with someone, I don't know if it's your brother or your friend, didn't it? He was looking for it everywhere. And I think he asked one guy if he seen a camera, and the guy said no. That's weird, I can't lie. Maybe that guy probably stole it. That guy that he asked if he seen the camera, maybe he stole it. Maybe, you know. I don't know.
It's the biggest bodybuilder in the United Kingdom. Why Shaquille O'Neal? I'll take it now, mate. I'll take it. Umar, mate, I'm proud of you. Really proud of you. To be honest, to get to 100k that quick is impressive. It's been emotional, Umar. The roller coasters we've been through.
Through the highs and the lows.
Exactly, mate. Some of the stories behind it and all that stuff in the videos, mate. To be honest, that's daring. Some serious stuff. Some worse than other moments.
You got a risk and random biscuit.
Besides it, and random strangers who have. Like one of them is still in my head right now, but if you're a real one, you'll watch all of Umar's videos and you'll see all of them.
Yeah, if you know what he's talking about, then you'll know.
As I'm not making this up, they're on the YouTube videos. And if you're a real subscriber, you would have seen them by now. Thank you, YouTube, for this moment. And Umar,
yes,
it's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
I'm YouTube for this moment. He thinks he's just wonderful. Thank you, everyone.
You'll be stealing my paper.
He needed it.
A few moments later.
Thank you for subscribing to Itz Umar. Oh, come on.
This is a story from 2016 to now. From what I can remember, I don't think anybody knows that I had a YouTube channel back in 2015. But I used to do like gaming videos on that channel, but it all got deleted. But I'll show you a proof here. One of the data that I joined.
Wait, why did you delete your gaming channel? What happened?
It was in August 2015. A year later, on the same month in August, I joined YouTube again, made another channel, which was this one, Itz Umar, and I decided to do the fourth video, the Cherry Bunny Challenge, football videos, 8-ball pool, and the 8-ball pool in 2017 when it was a bit popular back then.
We still love pool though now.
And then also, because I've been in high school, yeah, all of that was so stressful, and I had no phone, I had nothing to record my videos, yeah, I wasn't consistent. Me and Afghan Sully were doing the basketball video, and whoever else is doing my videos, appreciate them as well.
Yeah.
This journey has been 8 years in the making. To receive this flavor, and it took me 8 years, and I never gave up. I never gave up.
That's what that's why I like. That's what I really like, fam. Honestly, that's why I like he did not give up. He still carried on being consistent, and that's what I like. Me myself, I didn't give up either, and to this day, I'm not giving up. Never ever giving up on YouTube, because I actually love YouTube, and I actually love what I'm doing as a reactor, you know. And yeah.
Yeah, I lost motivation, and I feel like I didn't want to do any more YouTube videos. But I was also at the same time, I was like, no, if I give up, I'm just gonna be a loser. So I wanna like carry on with this. Some of you,
You're a winner.
How do you blow up from YouTube? So I also want to say, just make long videos, get your audience to watch it to the end, comment.
Yeah, I can't lie. Omar, one thing, yeah, that you should do, you need to get likes, you know. If you're like filming videos here outside, make sure you get like likes in it so that people can see you. And yeah, that's it. Like, that's all I gotta say.
It's good CTR and AVD, which is click-through rate and average view duration. The higher, the better. So that's all I can say.
And it works.
And it works. And also promote it, share it to your social media, get everyone to watch your videos, and slowly you'll build up, you'll go higher and higher.
That's a good point you mentioned there. You can't be afraid to show people who you are. You want to blow up, you have to show everyone.
Yeah.
Facts.
And just like in high school, I told everyone during the year, and even the teachers also, the teachers subscribed. They also put on the
That happens to me, that
Well,
happens to me.
you're serious. Well, the teachers they put your video on the board to watch. What? Man, your teachers were cool. What the flip?
Looking thing.
any of the names out.
Teacher 1 and teacher 2.
Mr. Dola, if you are watching this, this is for you. We remember using one of our first teachers that subscribed to
Hey.
What's his name?
That's a cool teacher.
Mr. Dola, aka Dog
I
Word.
don't even remember like some of them, like the people in our classroom. Do you remember that? We're not gonna mention their names here, but I remember the time here where they say, "Oh, my channel's bad. You don't know how to edit your videos. You don't know how to upload YouTube." Basically, these are the haters, right? They're trying to get into my head. So I didn't let that happen. I just said, no, forget you, like, I'll do what I want to do. That's right. And I just focus on my journey. Now me. Catch you on the
Now
next-
look at him. The haters that were saying all those bad things to Umar. Now look at him. He's up to 100,000 subscribers, and he's winning. He's getting that W plaque, that 100,000 W plaque. Look at him now, and look at you, and look at what you guys are doing. You guys are just doing nothing. He's doing something. Hey, I like that. Yo, you guys are not doing nothing. He's doing something. That rhymes. Oh my God.
Right, here we are.
Hey,
I
perfect.
used to film
Perfect. I like. Yeah, yes. I can see you now. Perfect light.
the football video. I think it was called the Blindfold
Football Challenge.
I can remember from 2016. It was right here where I filmed the video. So that's the area where I filmed the football video with Afghan Sully back in 2016. That was
Yes.
like 9 years ago now.
Nine madness.
Oh, it's crazy. Yeah, the most important part of the location that we used to film most of the time was the caught right here.
When it was snowing.
Oh yeah, true.
You know what I mean? We didn't care.
Yeah, we had the video on your channel, wasn't it?
Yeah, the video, the basketball
Five.
fight. That was the best video of basketball we've ever done.
The last part of the video is I wanna obviously cookies here. Subscribe for a cookie.
Subscribe for a cookie.
Can I get a cookie?
Let me see that.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Can I get a cookie, please?
Right.
Oh my god,
Right,
holy shit!
This is the moment.
Holy shit!
Take it. This is what you get when you subscribe. Take a cookie.
Just subscribe, just subscribe. Just subscribe, man. Wow.
Subscribe.
Extra subscribe.
Subscribe to Itz Umar's channel.
Double. Hey, that's another one. Take another one and just subscribe to it. That was it. This is very good.
A win for him is a win for me, and a win for Sully.
This is not just mine.
So
this
let's
is
go
ours.
big,
This is
let's
ours.
be free,
Hold
making
it
the
to make it
subscribers,
look like it's
making
yours.
it for a cup of tea.
This Superman film.
Yeah. Superman.
Superman, I've got a super tan. Let's go.
Hold it to recognition.
Make sure to subscribe.
I hope you enjoyed
Subscribe, buddy.
Like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you all next time.
Peace!
Peace. Come on. It is nice. The journey to reach up to 100,000 subscribers, man. That's good, man. Big ups to you, man.
It's over here. I am now with everyone from the OG videos. No,
That's right.
That doesn't make sense.
Why? We are from the OG video.
William Sagan.
No,
No, it's not. It's not.
Why don't you shout? You're overthinking it. You just shout, bro. It's not anymore,
I
man.
never time it probably did. That is like, oh, man, don't shy.
Yep, I'm stuck because it's like.
That Mr. Beast.
Not like a robot.
Yeah, that's it. I start the Umar before I start because I feel like I'm going to break down. That's why. Just be. 1 minute, boys. So.
What phone do you have?
50 Pro Max.
Oh no. Congratulations on your milestone.
That looks like you dipped in shit. Just go put the one shit down like that from the water so you know he sticks it in.
It's fine.
Puts it back on that one. Yeah, if you want to. I think I just stepped in dog shit.
Yeah, that was I don't do that.
Hey, big ups to him, man. Big ups to MK Production, big ups to Afghan Soli, and big ups to HK Roll, and also the last but only big up and shout out to Itz Umar! And congratulations for reaching up to 100,000 subscribers, my guy. And yeah, man, big ups to you, man. You came a long way since 2016, bro. Go to 200,000 subscribers, and in the future, you reach up to 1 million subscribers, my guy. You deserve it, man, honestly. That's the end of the video, and one more thing, can't wait to collaborate with you very, very soon, man. Like, in the future, I can't wait to see you, man. That's the end of the video. Subscribe to me. Go to 3,000 subscribers, share this to everyone. And also, people, stay blessed, stay safe, keep being active, always grind. And also, people, I love you.